Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question I get asked a lot. Can I get checks with Relay Bank? It's a common query, especially for those who are used to traditional banking and still rely on checks for certain transactions. Hook. Let's imagine this scenario. You're buying a car. The seller insists on a check. You're a Relay Bank customer, and you're wondering, am I out of luck? Well, let's find out together. Understanding Relay Bank. First, let's quickly recap what Relay Bank is. It's a digital bank, meaning it doesn't have physical branches. This offers certain advantages like convenience and potentially lower fees, but it also raises questions about traditional banking features like checks. The check question. Now, to the main event, can you get checks with Relay Bank? The short answer is, it depends. The factors. There are a few factors that influence whether or not you can get checks. Relay Bank's policies. Banks often update their policies, so it's always best to check directly with Relay Bank for the most accurate information. They might have specific criteria or requirements for obtaining checks. Your account type. Different account types might have different privileges. For example, a premium account might offer more features, including checks. Fees and charges. There might be associated fees for obtaining checks or using them. It's important to understand these costs before making a decision. Alternatives to checks. Even if you can't get checks directly from Relay Bank, there are alternatives to consider. Mobile payments. Apps like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay offer convenient and secure ways to make payments. Debit card. Most digital banks, including Relay Bank, provide debit cards that you can use for in-store and online purchases. Bill pay. Many online banks, like Relay Bank, offer bill pay services that allow you to pay bills directly from your account. ACH transfers, electronic funds transfers, ACH, can be used to send money between bank accounts. Case study, a real customer experience. Let's hear from a real Relay Bank customer who faced this dilemma. Insert interview or testimonial from a Relay Bank customer who has tried to get checks or has used alternative payment methods. Conclusion. So, can you get checks with Relay Bank? While it might not be a straightforward answer, there are certainly options available. Whether it's using alternative payment methods or checking with Relay Bank directly, you can find a solution that suits your needs. Call to action. Remember, the best way to get a definitive answer is to contact Relay Bank directly. They can provide you with the most up-to-date information and guide you through the process. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Relay Bank or digital banking in general, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, stay safe and keep banking.